Hey folks, this is Scott Jewell from Veurink's RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Today I want to show you the 2020 Hideout. This is a 300RLDS model. This is a brand new, completely redesigned unit, and some of the features I want to point out to you on the outside is the first big one is going to be in the very front, and we'll see it from the inside too, but this front centerpiece here is actually a windshield, so you have a window in the front. Really makes it cool, especially from the inside. We also have the Rotaflex kingpin there, and it has like a rubberized suspension in it, and it takes some of the chuck out of the toe, and so it makes it for a very smooth towing unit. Also got a nice big awning up here, and of course that's going to have an LED light built in. It's power. Outside speakers. The radio in it is Bluetooth, so you can play your music outside here and pair it to your phone. This got two 30-pound tanks, one on each side, which are in the compartment up front here. And then they do a really nice job in here. It's nice and finished, and it passes all the way through. Even underneath here, the floor joists are aluminum. A lot of your lesser products are going to have a wood trussed floor. This is aluminum, and that's why it's so light for its size. Of course, they put the solid steps on now, and so that's a standard feature, and they're really nice. They're adjustable on the bottom. Aluminum wheels are standard on this unit. All the graphics are new. They're different. It makes actually last year's model look old. This is such a modern looking unit. Lots of big windows again, and this does have a ladder on the back. We always auction our units in with spare tires also, so that's included in the price. We're going to take a look inside. All right, folks, now we're inside the Hideout 300RLDS. A couple things I want to show you. First of all, in the slide out here, as you can see, you've got a freestanding dinette with 4 chairs. So you've got lots of room, plenty of room to get in. Nice wide space. It's got very large windows. I like that Hideout puts windows on both ends of the slide outs. A lot of companies don't do that. Now we optioned in theater seating in this unit. You can also get a regular couch in that if you want to sleep more people. These are a little more comfortable chairs, but I also like is it faces right at the television. You're not cranking your head at all. Now you do have a couch here that'll fold out into a bed. So there's your bed right there. And that is a trifold sofa, so you sleep north and south. So it's actually a full like queen size bed. Lots of windows in the back again. They do give you a 50-inch TV standard. You have your Bluetooth radio just below that, a couple of USB ports to charge phones, and then you have a 5100 BTU Fireplace down below, and it's actually emitting heat. Feels really good, especially on a day like today. Right, and then in the island kitchen here, you have seamless countertops. So you have no seams, you don't have to worry about water getting in and expanding or ruining your counters. You got a nice residential faucet here. They give you a sink cover. You have a nice deep sink inside here. Got more workspace on the other side. You got the Furrion cooktop. This is nice and flush. You have a lot of workspace here. One nice feature too on these Furrions that a lot of people don't realize is that when you actually use the sparker to spark this, it also does the oven. So you don't have to light a pilot in the oven anymore. Of course, you got your microwave up top. Cupboards here on both sides. They're nice and deep. You can fit a full-size plate in those. And then down below over here, you've got plenty of storage also. And they do give you some just huge drawers. This kind of shows you the under-the-counter lighting. So that's really nice, especially at night. If you have all the lights off, it gives you some night lighting. And then another thing I like to point out down below here is you've got your central vacuum. So you don't have to bring a vacuum with you, which is really nice. The side over here, you've got your pantry. So you can bring a ton of food with you if you want to. And then even more storage here. So you got storage down below, storage over the top. This does have a light here, and then it's got a 110 plug here, so most people would put their coffee pot here. That keeps it nice and out of the way. And in the bathroom in the Hideout, the first thing you can see is you've got a toilet there with a foot flush. There's no bending over to flush the toilet. Nice big shower. It's got glass doors, not a shower curtain. I'm 6'1" with my shoes on, and I probably have a good 5-6 inches left, so plenty of headroom in this for taller people. You do have a vanity with a mirror, and it's an actual vanity with storage behind it, and lots of storage underneath the sink. Got the 110 outlet right by the sink there too, and of course I didn't mention, but the whole unit has LED lighting, but nice bright LED lighting in the bathroom. Okay, up in the bedroom in the hideout, first thing I'll point out is we do have wardrobe on both sides of the bed, so you got nice hanging spots. You do have drawers on both sides of the bed. This is a queen bed, and it's a full-length 80-inch bed, so it's not cut short like most RVs. You can put your own mattress in here if you want to. It's nice that they give you plugs for both people there, so you've got basically 4 plugs all together. Talking about the outside, but this is that new windshield, so it's cloudy today, but on a sunny day it really brightens it up here. And you do have a shade here that you can pull down for the evening time and make it dark in here if you want to. And then at the foot of the bed, you also have another wardrobe space, and it's all hanging wardrobe up above. And then down below there, they give you 2 huge drawers down below, so that's really nice also. And you do have some storage underneath the bed, and the bed does lift up. On the center wall there, they have the LCD TV mounting bracket, so if you want a TV up front, it's all pre-wired for it. We could mount one up there for you. All right, folks, thanks for watching my video on the 2020 Hideout. If you have any questions or concerns, you can give me a call at 616-965-9624. You can text that number also. Or if you want to get a hold of me by email, you can email me at scott@veurinksrv.com. Again, thanks for watching my video.